To add extensions to Chrome on an Android device, a workaround is required, as it is not possible to directly install extensions on the Chrome browser app. This can be achieved by using a third-party browser that supports extensions. One such browser is Kiwi Browser, but in this case, the QB browser will be used. To start, the QB browser needs to be installed from the Play Store. Once installed, the browser can be opened and used like any other browser, with the added benefit of being able to install extensions. The QB browser is similar to Google Chrome, but with the key difference of supporting extensions. To install extensions, the settings need to be accessed, which can be found at the top right of the browser. In the settings, there is an extensions section, where extensions can be added or removed. To add an extension, the developer mode needs to be enabled, and then the plus from Store button can be clicked, which will load the Chrome Web Store. From the Chrome Web Store, the desired extension can be searched for and installed. For example, to install the uBlock Origin extension, it can be searched for and added to the browser. Once installed, the extension can be accessed by clicking on the three-dot icon at the top right of the screen. The extension can be used by clicking on it, which will open its user interface and settings. To disable or remove an extension, the extensions section in the settings needs to be accessed again, and the switch button next to the extension can be clicked to disable it, or the remove option can be used to uninstall it.